Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to remove Trojan virus on Windows 11. So the first thing that we are going to do is to go into our search bar and then search for Windows Security. After that, click on Open. So what we're going to do first is to make sure that virus and threat protection is turned on. So just click Manage Settings under Virus and then make sure that all of them are turned on. Now, once you check that it is turned on, go back right here and then go here on the protection updates and then make sure that it is set to the latest version. So click on check for updates. And if you see that there are available updates, make sure that you update that. And then after that, go back into this part. What we're going to do next is to go into our search bar and then search for File Explorer and then look for File Explorer options. So click on that and then go here on the view and then click on Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. After that, click on Apply and OK. What we're going to do next is to search for Run, and then click on Enter, and then type temp, and then click on OK once again. And then in this part, we're going to delete all of this by pressing Ctrl and A on your keyboard, and then click the Delete button. After that, click on Do This, and then click on Skip, and then click on Skip once again. And then after that, close this, and then open Run once again. But this time, we're going to put percentage on both ends of temp, and then click on OK once again, and then delete all of the files again by pressing Ctrl A, and then click the Delete button. After that, click this, and then skip. And then after that, what we're going to do next is to go into our browser, and then search for Malwarebytes. After that, click on Enter, and then click on the first link right here, and then download the software. So click on that, and then let's wait for it to finish. And then once it is done, just click on Open File, and then click on Yes, and then click on Install, and then just choose Personal, and then click on Next, and then click on Skip this step. And then after that, Malwarebytes will now install in your PC. Then all you have to do is to wait for it to finish. And then once it is installed, just click on Open Malwarebytes. And then in this part, we're going to click on Get Started, and then click on Maybe Later, and then click with Continue with Free Trial, and then click Open Malwarebytes. After that, what we're going to do is to click on Start Scan, and then all you have to do is to wait for it to finish. So Malwarebytes will scan for any virus on your PC, and then they will try to remove it. So all you have to do is to wait for it to finish. And then once it is done, what we're going to do next is to go into our search bar and then search for CMD and then run it as administrator. After that, click on Yes. And then we're going to type sfc /scan now and then click on Enter. After that, all you have to do is to wait for this system verification to be completed. So Windows will look for any problem with your computer, and then once it is done, they will try to fix it. So let's say, for example, that this are now complete. So what we're going to do last is to restart our PC by going here on the Windows icon and then restart it right here. Once you restart your PC, that should fix your problem. So that is basically it.